I couldn't get up fast enough. I want to talk to you guys today about REEDS Loves Path collection. To me, this line is a line that's just waiting to have a story engraved in it forever. Let's look at this pendant, for example. You see two lines, like two paths, coming together and intertwining just to meet at that center diamond. That could symbolize a million different ideas. Now, speaking of a million ideas, how about we narrow it down to the top 5 occasions where REEDS Loves Path would make the perfect gift? An anniversary. Now, this is kind of an obvious one. We can see the beautiful design. We see two paths coming together like two lives, joining and intertwining, all meeting at that center point. And this could be inspired by the vows you took or a special moment in your lives together. I know if I were to get this as an anniversary present, it would be something that I remember for the rest of my life. Moving on to occasion number 2. I know, you're probably thinking, Sierra,
this is the Loves Path collection.
And I hear you, but journey with me. The design symbolizes how this big event, graduation, leads to so many different paths and how they can broaden their horizons. It could be as simple as symbolizing their journey through school. Maybe it's their post-grad journey. Moving right along to number 3. When I say first job, I mean they finally landed that dream position. Or maybe it's their first big job out of school. Just something worth celebrating. And I think the earrings show it beautifully. Anyways, moving on to occasion number 4. It's any romantic gifting holiday. I know you saw this coming. What better gift than something from Love's Path for one of these special days? It could be Valentine's Day or a birthday. Maybe it's Galentines Day. Or really, maybe it's that anniversary when you first met that special someone. The possibilities are endless. And same goes with the symbols. And same goes with the symbolism. Maybe it symbolizes your journey together or your partner's journey on their own. Maybe you're inspired by your kids if you have any. Truly, anything goes with this lovely collection on those special gifting holidays. Okay, let's talk about the 5th and final occasion. Just because. Why do we love giving people gifts? For me, it's that reaction when they open the box and you just see their mind creating that special moment that's gonna last a lifetime. So why not give somebody the special gift of Love's Path? Just to say, hey, I care about you or I appreciate you. You can craft memories that are gonna last a lifetime, even if it's just because. All right, friends, that is my top 5 occasions where Love's Path is just the perfect gift. If you want to check out the collection, I will leave the link in the description below, and it's sold only at REEDS Jewelers. Now, make sure you comment and let us know what you envision when you see this collection, and maybe some other occasions these might be a perfect fit. Like and subscribe, you know the deal, and we will see you next time. Sorry, I don't know why I just said we and then freaked out. I will see you next time.